Just a little more than 24 hours after the tragic Malviya Nagar B&B fire claimed 21 lives and left 26 others injured, Delhi's Saket court has now remanded the accused Lokesh Bajaj to a 4-day judicial custody. The court orally observed that Bajaj's arrest was prima facie legal, especially taking into account the grave lapses that were to play. From having 25 rooms in a building which only had permission for 6, to not even getting a fire NOC and the terrace, a potential escape route being locked at the time of the fire, it's pretty evident that the disaster could have been averted at all steps. And Lokesh Bajaj, the owner of the hotel, was brazenly aware of it all. In his statement to the police, he accepted that the building was in a dilapidated condition when he bought it and converted it into a B&B, and that he knew that the building had permission only for 6 rooms. He, in fact, also passingly mentioned how the building never got a fire NOC. Now he's in police custody, but what about those lives that have been lost? Families have been left grieving with charred remains of their loved ones, looking for justice. Listen in to some of the eyewitnesses' accounts that recall the massive tragedy that took place.
हमने बचाए, जैसे आग लगी हम यहीं पर थे उस टाइम पे, हमने 8 आदमी बचाए। हमारी सामान दुकान में सामान था, रजाई गद्दे का, वो हमने सारी फैला दी सड़क पे। उसमें 8 लोग कूदे ऊपर से, छत पे से, पहली, तीसरी, चौथी से। बिल्डिंग के सामने मेरी दुकान है, मंसूरी कॉटन शॉप के नाम से।
आपने अपनी दुकान से गद्दे निकाले?
हाँ, गद्दे निकाले, सारा सामान दे दिया। उसके बाद में जब आग लग के फायर ब्रिगेड आ गई, उन्होंने फिर आग बुझा दी। उसके बाद में जो डेड बॉडी थी उनके लिए हमने सारा कपड़ा दिया, रजाई, चादर वगैरह, बेडशीट वगैरह सब हमने दिए। वो अंदर लाने जो लेकर के आए थे उनको डेड बॉडी को।
मैं 8:30 बजे मौके पर आया था। जब मैंने मौके पर आकर देखा कि हालात जो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है, तो मुझे ये लगा कि मुझे जो मालिक को अवगत कराना चाहिए। मैंने 8:52 पर उनको फ़ोन किया। 26 सेकंड मेरी उनसे बातचीत हुई। उन्हें मैंने अवगत कराया कि यहाँ पर हालात जो ज़्यादा ख़राब है और लोगों के बचने की जो संभावना जो बहुत कम है। उसके 10 मिनट के अंतराल के बाद जो वो लोग जो यहाँ पर आए थे, मौके पर रुके थे, उसके बाद वो यहाँ से चले गए थे। हाँ, मौके पर आए थे। मैं ये सही समय नहीं बता पा सकता, क्योंकि मैं कहीं छाँव में तो खड़ा नहीं था, मैं लोगों की जान बचाने में लगा हुआ था।
मेरी जो किराएदारनी है वो आई, वो कह रही भैया आग लग गई। मैं आगे सीधा उसके कमरे में घुसा। मैंने कहा कहाँ आग लगी? कह रही भैया बाहर लगी हुई है। तो मैं जब इस गली में आया तो शीशे हुए बंदे हाथ थपथपा रहे थे, उनके जो हाथ में था वो बजा रहे थे, मगर शीशा टूट नहीं रहा। पर आधे खिड़कियों में आधे बरसा के शीशा तोड़े हैं, जिनों में से खिड़कियाँ टूटने के बाद हमने एक बंदा फर्स्ट फ्लोर से जो कूदा, वो तो बेचारा फर्स्ट फ्लोर से कूदा, उसके पैर में चोट लगी थी बस।
But we was not here when the fire is not this hotel. I'm not present. Yes, I was hospital. Me and my father.
Do you know what happened yesterday in this hotel?
Yes, I know.
Your friend also.
Yes, I know. I know.
Yeah,
A lot of people is died. A lot of friends is died in this hotel. A lot of friends, yeah.
Latest updates are coming in from the Malviya Nagar fire tragedy. NewsX has now accessed the official remand copy of accused Lokesh Bajaj. The Saket court has held Bajaj's arrest to be lawful and justified, noting that grounds of arrest were supplied as per law. Police custody has been granted. Investigation into all the initial stages and custodial interrogation is necessary to uncover relevant facts. The police have been directed to trace and examine the key suspects, including accountant Jay Mishra and hotel manager Rakesh, whose roles surfaced during the probe. Investigators seek recovery of ownership, operation and electricity related documents linked to the hotel premises. Police is to seize guest registers, booking records, online booking details, financial records and bank account documents related to the hotel's functioning. Court says police custody is required to recover electronic devices, digital evidence and identifying other persons involved in the construction, management and operations of the property. My colleague Sambhav Sharma joins us on the broadcast to give us more of this. Sambhav, give us the latest details that we're tracking at this point in time.
Oh, absolutely. We have the copy of the remand, 4 days remand given to Delhi police of the prime accused in this case, and Saket court has sent the hotel owner Lokesh Bajaj to 4 days of the police custody. But what is more important here is the pointers in this remand copy, which is a 4-page remand copy of the Delhi's Saket court. And on page number 3 of this remand copy, there are a lot of details given by court as to why the remand or 4 days remand, the custody has been granted. And I just want to point out few things from this particular copy. On page number 2, the judge has noticed that the court is of the view is what is said that the to, to ascertain and verify the details of all workers, employees, and other persons engaged in this operation of flourishing state, and also to trace the location and apprehension of other persons like one Jai Mishra, who is the accountant of the establishment, and one Rakesh, who is the manager of the hotel, and the whole role has surfaced during investigation. So this is what the court has noticed. This has become important because this is what the court has noted. And also on page number 3, the court has noted that police custody is required to recover the electronic devices, digital evidences, and identify other persons' involvement in the construction, management, and operation of the property. This is on page number 3 of this particular remand copy, which we have accessed. And also, the court has said the investigators seek recovery of the ownership, operation, and electricity related documents linked to the hotel premises. And the court has in a way ordered the police to seize guest registers, booking records, online booking details, financial records, bank account documents related to the hotel functioning. So indeed, a detailed investigation is likely to be seen in coming days, where Delhi police is going to investigate all these angles, which the court in a way directed the Delhi police, and also police is directed to trace, examine the key suspect on one hand, the key suspect including the accountant, which we just discussed, the accountant Jai Mishra, and hotel manager Rakesh, whose role surfaced during the probe. And also police custody has been granted, is what the judge has said. The police custody has been granted as investigation at this stage is at very initial stage. And also the court has held, now again this is very important, the court has held that Bajaj's arrest is lawful and justified, and noting that grounds of arrest were supplied as per the law. So we have this exclusive access to the 5-page remand copy, and it is again important because it is undersigned by Honorable Judge Banu Pratap Singh, which the matter was in court number 203 of the Saket court, where Saket court has granted 4 days of police custody to accused Lokesh Bajaj in this particular case. And Delhi police has said that the investigation in this particular case is going on. However, on the other hand, the accuser's side said that we have not got the remand, this FIR copy as of now, and asked the Delhi Police's counsel to kindly tell as to why the arrest is made, and also said that the arrest in a way is illegal. This is what the defense counsel has said in the courtroom. However, what the judge and the remand copy is saying is again in a way, I mean, very important, because court has held prima facie the accuser's arrest
Yes.
as lawful and justified.
Absolutely. So, of course,